Introducing the Prokan SS304 Argentine Grill, where tradition meets innovation for the ultimate fun outdoor cooking experience. This isn't just grilling. This is fire, flavor, and fun like you've never experienced before. Welcome to the world of Argentine grilling, reimagined by Prokan. The Prokan SS304 Argentine Grill Series is available in freestanding cart model, a built-in version, and island grill model designed to perfectly match our best-selling European ledge island grill. Blending rustic tradition with modern design. With the Asado firebox, you can build your fire to the side, generate glowing embers, and rake them beneath your food, giving you that signature smoky flavor and precise temperature control that only Argentine-style grilling delivers. Fire brick bottom and side walls provide outstanding heat retention, cooking your food evenly while sealing in maximum moisture and flavor. V-shaped cooking grates channel fat and juices directly into the integrated drip tray, reducing flare-ups and enhancing flavor with every bite. Take control with adjustable height grates, letting you dial in the perfect grilling temperature with ease. The freestanding model comes with a convenient open storage cart, ideal for keeping your wood logs and tools close at hand. Built with premium SS304 stainless steel, this grill offers exceptional rust resistance and long-term durability. A front access door with locking handle ensures easy fire management and enhanced safety while grilling. Very detail is designed for the fire master in you. Included are a shovel for moving embers, a poker for spreading coals and opening the firebox, a custom cleaning tool for those signature V-shaped grates. S-shaped meat hooks let you hang meats, fish, or veggies, perfect for slow roasting and infusing bold smoky flavors into every dish. The V-shaped cooking grates deliver restaurant-quality sear marks, locking in flavor and elevating every grill session to pro-level perfection. A spacious side prep table and integrated tool hooks and dedicated spots for your shovel and poker, all crafted with the user in mind. Barbecue tools not included. Heavy-duty casters ensure smooth mobility while maintaining the grill's rugged build and stability. And when the fire's out, the durable grill cover keeps your Prokan protected from the elements. From wood and flame comes more than just a meal, it's an experience. The Prokan Argentine Grill brings people together, ignites flavor, and elevates your outdoor lifestyle. Prokan, elevate your outdoor experience. Make your neighbors envy your lifestyle.